Panama City residents affected by Hurricane Sally now have the possible option of the city buying their house for market value. The money comes from a Florida Department of Economic Opportunity $22 million allocation to 5 different panhandle counties, Bay being one of them. Panama City officials say they will pay residents the value of their homes before they were flooded by the hurricane. The city manager, Mark McQueen, says homes must have flooded at least twice since Sally to be eligible for the buyout program. City officials plan to build parks or retention ponds on those properties they buy.
This is good news for those individuals who have had habitual and repetitive losses, repetitive flooding since Hurricane Sally. And what we've seen in Panama City and certainly in Bay County is that when we lost all of the trees that we did, we now have experienced a higher water table, which means we have more flooding.
Panama City will hold a public meeting at City Hall Tuesday at 5:15. Anyone that's interested can attend. The deadline for applying for the home buyout program is April.